I'm Kerry here again from Awaken Live Empowerment. Thank you for joining me in the second video, the 5-step process that really helps you go through this thing and really make a change in your life. So, thanks for being here. First step, free session. Makes it easier to make a leap of faith. And we'll get to know each other. We establish some confidentiality. We establish being open and honest with each other and develop our relationship, just like the t-shirt says. So, if that sounds exciting, great. And then we can actually decide in that session how you want to do it, because I have many options. We can actually get together in my office, or we can go on a hike, sit down on a log or a bench somewhere, or we can maybe have online group works or online one-to-one sessions. We can get together in a coffee shop. I have mobile service. If you can't get out, I'll meet you there. Just many options. So we'll figure that out as well. Second step, self-awareness. Now with great self-awareness is totally a bunch of rewards. Rewards to having a way better life. So how we go through that is our personality profiles. We start looking who we really are. We even look at who other people are and why they are in the 4 colors, Johari window, and we look into all these little things that help us decide and figure out why we make behaviors that we do. We also go through spiritual gifts, find out how we align with things and how we can make a difference in this world. We go through our family values and find out how they serve us and some don't serve us. And maybe how the culture has changed and some need to be adjusted a little bit. So that's kind of really cool. And the third step is emotional intelligence, where it comes down to where it's really good for men, because we struggle in this area where we don't understand positive and negative emotion words, what they actually mean, or we hardly even go to our hearts. Women are similar. With our busy world that we have today and stressful world, we hardly get to our hearts. We're stuck in our heads. So that is part of the process, as well as the control strategies that we're going to go through, which we think serve us. So we have certain ways of doing life, and they may push people away, wrecking our relationships, destroying our relationships. So that is another step. Number 4, new awarenesses, which is a great thing as well, because it helps us understand our brain. In the last 5 years, the world has discovered so many cool things about the brain. We have a left brain and a right brain. The left brain that says to do it logically and keep us safe. The right brain, which is risk-taking and adventurous and wants to have fun. Then there's our heart that comes into play. We don't even get there hardly, but it's about the feelings and how we connect to that and how harmony of all this works together. It is exciting. And there's other things we'll discuss in that new awareness step. The 5th step with Terry Leahy. That is really great. He's my mentor, and he puts on a weekend workshop in Kelowna called Connections. That is really awesome when it comes to opening up the door, really becoming awake. And so what happens, we go through that and you get so alive and empowered through that weekend. And the word love comes into play, because you start to love yourself and love everyone. If that sounds interesting, that's definitely a step you have to take and get involved with. And then we'll come back and review it. And then we'll take some more sessions on. And if you really are liking what this is all about, we'll go into Terry's next workshop, which is called Deeper Connections. Him and his partner Christine put it together, and it is outstanding again. Gets down there a little bit more deeper, a little bit more better, and just gives you way more freedom. So if this sounds like something for you, then please check out this next video. We'll see you there in the 3rd video, which is all about the products and services. Bye for now.